that's going to be a little bit of the basis of how we can create this pattern. And this pattern is called the Shui Yin Xiaoyong pattern. Now, we can use this pattern, has many interactions just beyond sleep, as you can see here. Some of them are anything on the side of the body, because they're all middle channels. This is a very useful treatment for that. If you have a Xiaoyong style headache, if you have eye problems. And now we're going to get into our sleeping difficulties. So for example, difficulty falling asleep. That's the transition from daytime to nighttime. So somebody who, they go to bed and they lie in bed and they keep thinking and they keep thinking and they keep thinking and they can't fall asleep. Balancing and interacting the Shui and Xiaoyong will help them move out of that pattern and into a pattern of being able to fall asleep easier. We can also find this with somebody who, because their day is so tiring, they fall asleep easily, but then they wake up and they can't fall back asleep. So the body's need to get some sleep is primordial and takes over the situation. And then what happens is, as soon as the body has enough energy, it wakes up and it can't fall back asleep again. That's another symptom of the Shui Yin Xiaoyong. Now, we also have this, there's also some other psychological aspects of it. For example, somebody who over-controls their emotions, has over-controlled reactions, they don't express themselves very easily, they're very tight, they're stressed by the amount of things they have to do in the amount of time, they hold their emotions in. All of these go with that problem of not being able to fall asleep. They function very well throughout their day, and as soon as they have this time, all of a sudden their mind starts running about all the things they have to do, all the problems they have. This type of person is a very, I'm sure you can imagine lots of your patients in your clinic showing this. So this is the treatment that we're going to use for them. Now, how are we going to actually have these 4 channels interact? Now, as you can see on your screen, I've already implemented, or I've already given the hexagrams that are associated with each channel.